Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And we are opening, ta-da, the Creative Notions package. I cut it, but that's it. Haven't had a chance to look at it, but here we go. All right.
Cut anything inside of it, did you?
Not until I pull it out. I hope not. I haven't pulled it out yet.
I was just kidding.
We have some lovely
Foam.
That's exactly what it is. It's foam.
Oh, it's a good guess.
Big old piece of foam. Okay. So that needs whatever we're getting. It's gonna need some body. So, looks like a bag. Open it up here.
Feels like that stuff that you put on your bed. You know, the green or the blue, whatever color it is. The 2-inch, 3-inch. This is what? Centimeter, a millimeter.
Slowly pull it out. Came wrapped like this. I'm gonna guess that it goes in this bag. Let me take this out so we can get rid of the glare, because between the lights and everything in here.
We're going to make all the noise at once. Let's open. Oh, no, that's
okay. Here we go.
So let's open all the little packages.
The Alexia bag, 16 by 16 inch. There's the bag. I like the look of that bag, too. Oh, yeah. A lot of possibilities for that bag. A zipper and a zipper. What? I'm sorry, what? What'd you do?
I said I did that on purpose. Did anybody catch that? Because while I was talking, you were crinkling that bag. So then when you were showing that, I was like, with the other bag.
Okay, let's see. So here, oh, it's the Alexia tote. Excuse me, I said a bag. It's a tote. Alrighty.
But it says Alexia bag.
I know, and then it says a tote there. Right there.
So it's a tote bag?
Beats the heck out of me, but we're going to make it. I don't care what it is.
It's a tote and a bag. It's
there
a 2-in-1.
Okay. All right, let's see what we got. All right, go ahead. Let's open it up.
Because I've already opened it.
Okay.
And it's, again, has the noisy bag. This says it's the hardware kit.
Oh.
And it's in one of those, not a clear bag. It's the
oh, yeah. It's
colorful one. Go ahead. Yes. One of those.
Wait a minute. What's it called? When it makes those different colors. Mother of pearl. That's the coloring. That's what it reminds me of. See?
Ooh,
the way that it, yep.
Purple and blue and green.
Exactly.
Okay.
So here's a piece of leather.
Hardware kit. I'm showing the hardware kit.
This is part of it too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So
we'll have to see how to. Ooh, that's a
Oh.
nice piece of leather.
Sorry, I'm cold and cats.
Which I don't have out yet today.
No, but I could still. It's bothering me.
So there's
the
the
zipper. Who's doing the hardware kit?
You.
And then, of course, what was that? I guess it's going to have 3 zippers because it's one long zipper because you got 3 zipper pulls. They're gold.
Okay, so my guess is
Plated.
the top has a zipper.
I have to sneeze.
And the right and the left. You done?
No, but
Okay.
yes.
Okay. And we have a crock pot ribs recipe. Who doesn't like ribs? And you know in the crock pot, it's just going to literally fall off the bone if you put the bone in there. Okay. Shall we start with the directions? Wait a minute. What is this? Got your glasses?
Do you need them?
Oh, I was going to let you use them.
Oh, sure. Oh, no. Go ahead.
All right. Let's see what we got. So this is for all of those that... Now, this probably isn't it, but looks like the thing that used to have the little camera film in it.
That's exactly what it is.
Oh, look! It's M&M's.
Oh.
I was like, I had no clue
what I thought was in there.
No, either.
It was more hardware. What does it say?
It says, seeing Creative Notions,
Quilt Shop.
Quilt Shop, says M&M's, 100 milligram for the thread. Dosage indicated for the symptoms listed. Eat 1 brown if the seams are not a 1/4 inch. Eat 1 yellow if your points don't match. Eat red if the rotary cutter strips look like a V. Eat 1 green if you have to miter your corners. Eat a blue one if your bobbin is out of thread. And eat an orange one if the fabric you need is gone. If symptoms persist, eat the whole darn bottle. That's exactly what that says.
I would be eating the whole darn bottle.
Forget about the symptoms. I like M&M's too much.
So, I'll ask at the end about the M&Ms. I have an M&M question for the viewers. So
Okay.
finish that, and I will not forget.
Now we have Creative Notions quilting clips, and it says 10 of them. That is a cute little container.
Cute little tin. Is it a screw
Yes.
top? Screw,
I
screw,
don't know.
and screw. There you go. I can tell it's a screw top because of that right there.
Okay. And here we have,
Oh.
so that they can see them.
Well, they're not invisible.
They're your little clips. Oh, I didn't want to spill them.
Oh.
That's cute. Adorable.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do a couple of squares, shall we?
All right. So this is the Barn Star Quilt. Block of the Month, Double North Star.
I like that. I like that star too.
So do I.
I think it's gorgeous. And what is that called? The Double North Star?
Double North Star.
Okay, and this is the Night Star. Which is that night there. And what do you have?
Allergies. Barn Star Quilt, Block of the Month, Indian Star.
Okay.
There it is. Huh.
And the fabric, if I'm not mistaken, is Petal Bouquet.
Very vintage. It's very pretty.
That is very, very pretty.
I like that one. I like this one. The rose, the dusty rose.
Mm-hmm.
Because it matches, of course, the dusty rose flowers and the first one you showed.
There we go. Look at that one.
It's very nice.
Mm-hmm. Well, they all three match because they're coordinating fabrics. And then the green has actual writing. Let's go this way with the writing.
What's the writing say?
You can't read it. I can't read it.
Because it's without glasses, or is it
No, I think
the way
it's
it's
just
printed?
the way it's printed. I can't read it. If you can, try.
This is with because I can read a couple of words, lady. But you're right, it's so faint, even with the glasses on, I can't read it.
Okay, so just a
But
note.
it looks like it's a what you call it? Like from a book. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Like a passage from
Because
a
of
book.
the cursive writing.
The cursive writing, and it reminds me of, since it's vintage, it's probably like from Little Women or something like that. One of the older movies, yeah.
Okay.
A classic movie.
So she's added just a note. It says this bag is technically the September bag in the order of the bags that we are owed. So if you signed up at a later date, making this bag your next or your last bag owed. We are working hard to catch up, but sending multiple bags in a month is beyond what we are capable to do. We will send out a bag every other month, alternating with the new bi-monthly boxes. We are so excited about your participation on our Facebook group. There's so many beautiful creations to enjoy. Keep up the great work. No, at that distance, I can read it. Yeah. And the print is not small.
Yes,
so I can read it. But if it's small.
I'm looking at it like this, and I still can't read it.
Okay.
Nope, still not.
Okay.
I can't. I have to have my glasses on.
That's fine. Different size print. You probably can't read that then. That's even tinier.
That's even smaller.
Okay, right now I
can
can
probably
read
guess, but I might not be right. I think the first word starts with an E.
All right, so now they're announcing there's details to follow and watch the website to make these projects right there. So they're making them. Want to look at them?
Trying to see. No, I can't see him.
Oh.
I was trying to see him through the
Okay,
camera.
well, you can put your glasses on to see them.
Yes, I will.
So I'll put the website. I always put it in the bottom down there where all the writing is. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to lay this out so everybody can see it. And okay, question. I know, I was
about the
going to say,
M&Ms.
I remember.
So
about the
these
M&Ms.
M&Ms are, open it back up.
They're plain M&Ms.
I know that, but okay, they're regular size, right? You didn't have to pour them out. I was just, okay. So these are, you can show them, right? Can you? Okay, so see all the colors? Who remembers when,
Okay.
when there were two different color of brown?
A
when
dark
there
brown, a lighter brown.
wasn't a blue,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
Who remembers the original M&Ms, colors and everything? And you know how they're always coming out with new colors or new flavors now? Because now they have a caramel cold brew, which is my favorite, favorite. It is caramel M&M, and it tastes like cold brew, right? It has a hint of coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I would like them to come out with, and I should write them or call them maybe, I don't know, to come out with the original M&Ms again, with the original colors.
Oh, with
like
the
if they're
dark
coming
and
out
the
with
light
all,
brown.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I see.
Oh, I love that. I remember when I was a kid, I had saved the M&M packet, and I had made it really, really flat, and I used it as a bookmarker. And I probably still have it in the book that I was reading when I was a kid.
Maybe.
And I got the book from my great-grandma, your grandma. That was the book I was reading, and I used it as a bookmark. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was just wondering, does anybody remember the original M&Ms? Because I do. I remember them.
Yeah, I remember the different color of browns. I remember. Because you ate either all the light ones or all the chocolate ones. Because that's what I usually do, is I eat one specific color.
One color at a time.
And then, although it's not like they're flavored.
Yeah, they don't taste any different.
Not
just like Skittles. They're just different colors. They're not different flavors. I don't think.
I don't think so either. That's jelly beans that are different flavors. And those are special jelly beans. They're not
you have to get the...
Right.
Well, what is it? The Starburst jelly beans or the... Gosh, I'm trying to think. The Sour Patch jelly beans. Like, they have all different flavors of jelly beans, too. And I just like the original plain jelly beans.
Skittles are like that, where they now have those.
Skittles do have different flavors now,
but they have those soft ones. What are the soft ones called?
Soft strawberry?
Skittles. No, it's the soft Skittles. What's the soft gummy? They're like gummies. Yeah, that's new out there. Yeah, I saw a package at Walmart. I don't like anything gummy, but they had sour and they were gummy. I picked them up to look at them.
For Skittles. That's a no and a no. Sour and gummy. Ugh, yuck. Now, I do, however, like the gummy bears. They have they come in a white bag and it has red writing on it. It starts with the letter A, and I cannot remember the name of the gummy bears or whatever they are.
I don't know.
Those I like. Those have different flavors. And I have found out which one is the mango, so I go doop, 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 doop. No, I don't like mango. No. So I pick all those out. But otherwise, those are good too.
All right, let's show it on the table.
It's like a Haribo gummy.
I understand. Yep, the name brand.
This one is, I like them better than Haribo.
Alrighty, here is everything that came in the box or the bag, however you want to situate it there. Alrighty, and I believe that if I'm not mistaken, Vicki has already did a video to show how to make the bag, so I'll watch it before I even attempt it, just so that because it helps me with tips and things like that. So I'll watch that because I'm definitely making it. But I'm going to tell you, I'm already 2 bags behind because I'm going to make the last bag. You remember we had the little flower that you put on the square, and we put it on the little stand, because I'm going to make that and put it out at work on my desk. And I haven't even started. I did pull out the fabric, though, I must say. I've done that aspect of it, so I have it all ready to go. I just need to cut it out, which I'm going to go ahead and cut it out today. I don't know if I want to put the whole thing together, but I'm definitely cutting it out. I really, really like this bag, tote, whatever you want to call it. So, yes, I'm going to make that. And I will show it. Of course, when I'm all finished, I will show these. Right now, I have no way to download it to my computer. I can't put it on my Facebook or even Vicky's for that matter. I've got issues between my phone and my computer because my laptop is too old. So, okay, that is it for today. I hope you guys liked it, and make a comment. Please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't joined my channel, go ahead and join it. You can click on the little bell so you'll get notices so you won't miss any of these unboxings. Thanks, Vicki. Again, another great unboxing. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, and welcome to all my new subscribers.